Adobe Acrobat keeps crashing. 3 fixes, fastest first. One of these will stop it. Open Acrobat, select the menu in the top left. Help, check for updates. It'll scan and tell you if you are behind. If an update shows up, install it. Outdated versions crash constantly on newer Windows builds. Restart Acrobat when it's done, then try opening your file. If that fixed it, drop a comment saying fixed. It helps more people find this. Still crashing? Next fix. This one catches a lot of people. Go to your menu, Preferences. On the left menu, you'll see Multimedia and 3D. Uncheck the box that says Enable Hardware Rendering for Legacy Video Cards. Hit OK, then restart Acrobat. That setting conflicts with certain graphics drivers and causes random crashes. Turning it off removes the conflict. Still happening? Last fix. Go to your menu, click Help, Repair Installation. Yes. A progress bar will run. Let it finish. It takes about a minute. This rebuilds any corrupted Acrobat files without touching your documents. Once it's done, restart your PC and open Acrobat again. While you're waiting, go to the search bar, type Update, check for updates, select Install All. Once it's done, restart your PC and open Acrobat again. Adobe Acrobat should stop crashing now. Drop a comment saying fixed. If it's still crashing, tell me exactly when it happens and I'll help you track it down.